Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look using this bomb ass palette. And I'm not going to talk too much about this palette because you guys are going to see for yourself throughout the video what this palette can do. Also, just to be very transparent, this video is sponsored by Ofra Cosmetics, and thank you so much at Ofra. You guys know that Ofra Cosmetics has been a brand that I absolutely love, and I have been using their products for years and telling you guys to go out and buy their shit. There is a hair in my mouth. Like I said before, I do have a 20% off code off of Ofra Cosmetics site-wide. So if there's anything that I use throughout this video and you absolutely love and want to purchase, you can definitely do so. Everything will be linked and listed down below in the description box. So enough of me rambling, let's jump right into the video. Alright, shall we get this show on the road? We are going to be first going into the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette. This is their Sweet Dreams palette. And I'm picking up this shade over here, which is in the shade Trans. Honestly, this is one of my favorite shades in this palette. And we're picking this up with a small little blending brush. And popping the shade in this crease, a little bit in that upper crease area. But you want to keep the shadow a little bit tight just for right now. And what I love to do is bring my shadows all the way to this inner corner and then start to lightly wing it out closer to the tails of my brow. Using a slightly larger brush, we are going to be blending these shadows out. And I'm picking up this shade Dreamcatcher, which is a soft peach shade, and we are just lightly, with the lightest amount of pressure that you can possibly do, just blend out just the edges of that shadow. See what a difference that makes? Always make sure you blend out your shadows. Now for the star of the show, I'm going into the Ofra Cosmetics Glitch 2000 palette. Like, first of all, the packaging of this palette is absolutely beautiful. And when you open it up, this is what this bad boy looks like. It is all shimmer shades. So I'm going in with a flat brush here. I'm picking up this purple shade. This is in the shade Posh. And just swipe this all over that lid shade. Like, do you see what I mean? And what I love about these shadows is that they are so pigmented. If you have a hard time cutting out your crease with concealer, you don't need concealer, girl. Just use these shadows because the pigment is there and it's so easy to cut it out. I do want a little bit extra dimension, so I'm just switching my brush over and I'm going into this shade over here, which is in the shade Bling. And I am just popping this on the center of my lid. Before I move on to anything else, I'm going to go into my brow bone highlight. I'm going into Glow Goals. You guys know. Y'all know the deal with this highlight. It is honestly one of my ride or die. When I die, please, someone bury me with this highlight. I'm not joking. One of my newest obsessions from Ofra Cosmetics has been this bad boy. And when I say you need this in your collection, stop what you're doing right now. Pause this video, go on Ofra Cosmetics and buy this eyeliner. This is their fixed line eyeliner. This is obviously in the shade Black. But what I love about this is the consistency. It's kind of like that moussey cream consistency, but it does not dry out like some normal kind of pot eyeliners. So I am popping this in my waterline. I'm also going to be dragging it down just a little bit on my lower lash line because we are going to be blending this out. What I love about this is that it smudges and blends out really nice when you put shadow, but when it does set, I'm telling you, it does not move. Okay, do not kill me. I did go off camera and do this inner corner point here with that same eyeliner because I cannot do it on camera. It is like the hardest thing to do, but we're gonna blend our lower lash line out and we're going back into the shade Trance with a flat brush here. And we are running this on our lower lash line and just smudging out that eyeliner as well. Beautiful. Let's move on to wing liner. I'm going into the Verified Black eyeliner. Bomb ass eyeliner as well. This girl, hold your breath when you do your wing liner. Yes, honey. All right, I'm going to go off camera now and I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'm going to be right back and we're going to do lips together. All right, my loves, we are almost done. Let's just move on to lips. I did overline my lips here with a lip liner. Use whatever liner that your little heart desires. I will say though, a little bit of a tip. When you are overlining, do not overline your entire lip. It is going to look super fake and super unnatural. Just overline your cupid's bow as well as the middle of your bottom lip and then bring it into whatever shape your natural lips do form. So for lipstick, we're going to be going into the Ofra Cosmetics Flexi Slick. This is a new shade that they have. This is in the shade Slip. I am going to pop this all over my lips. You see how pigmented and like the amount of product that's on the doe foot applicators, like I don't have to dip back in. I can use whatever is on this one dip and do my entire lips. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit more just because I want you guys to see the perfection of these eyeshadows. They blend absolutely beautiful. Like, I love these tones. Alright my loves, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will also say, if you want to see a little bit more of a fun, colorful look using this palette, I did do that on Instagram, so you can just go and check that out. Also, really quickly, thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited that you guys wanted to partner with me. So thank you guys so much again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Do I have lipstick on my teeth? I forever be doing my outros and have lipstick on my teeth and don't know. Ugh.
Like Toledo, this girl from Trinidad Tobago, killer Badego.